Hey Gotians, welcome back to another video tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. I'm using Office 2021. Today we will be covering how to copy the formula. For this I have shown you people the very simple table in which we have to calculate the net income of Sam for the 4-month period. We have to assume data for monthly salary in dollars, bonus, tax deduction, house rent. Assume the monthly salary for the March was 1700, then finally 1900. The bonus was provided 200, 100, 500, 300. Tax deduction was 70, 60, 150, 90, and house rent was same throughout the period, which is $500. It is very clear now that in order to calculate the net income, we just have to add monthly salary and bonus, and we have to subtract tax deduction and house rent from it. So calculating the net income for the month of March first, equal to sign 1700 plus this minus tax deduction minus. Now you are not able to select the cell as your formula comes in between, so manually writing the cell number, which is E4. Enter. You have got the answer. $1,330 is the net income for the month of March. Now we have to calculate for the remaining months. As our data is organized, so let's see if we drag this cell up to here. In order to check the formula, you just have to click on the cell and press F2. So the cells which are used are now highlighted too. Notice that these cells are highlighted. Press enter. And if you want to see this cell's formula, click on this cell and press F2 again. Notice your formula is accurately copied. We have concluded now that if our data is organized, then we have to put the formula only once, as we only calculated the net income for the month of March and then drag down to this cell. In the next video tutorial, we will be covering the power of F4 key, which is directly related to this video tutorial, which is copying the formula. So don't miss out our next video tutorial. Thank you for the patience. We hope you got it.